Hello everyone, Medicine Woman in the Woods here. Tonight I am going to do, it's actually a two-part video. I did a video last night on Usnea. Here's Usnea. This is great for the immune system. You'll find this in trees hanging. Old man's beard, Usnea, lungs of the forest. It has many, many names. So you'll see it hanging in the trees. How you know if it's the right Usnea, when you pull it, it actually has like an elastic effect and it snaps. It's green on the outside, and when you look, when it snaps, it's actually white like string. So that's Usnea. This is good for the immune system. It'll build it right up. It does so many things for the lungs and things that we need right now with all the sickness that's going on in the world. The planet needs Usnea tincture. So I'm going to show you tonight how to make a tincture. This one is a double extraction tincture. So first we're going to cut up the Usnea. You don't have to be real particular, but this just kind of opens everything up. I like to cut the Usnea out. I'll put a link in the bottom what Usnea does. Now this is one plant that you're going to be able to find it all year long. So this is really great because it's there winter, summer, fall. It's there. Now you pack it in lightly. You don't push it down or anything, just lightly. And it's like pretty well the perfect amount. Now I'm tincturing this with 100 proof. You can use 90 proof. I just had 100 proof, so I'm using 100 proof. If I had 90 proof, I would actually use 90 proof. So this is what I'm using. I'm in Canada. This is Blue Roof. There's a blue label, which is 90 proof, and then there's the 100 proof, which is the black label, Blue Roof. So that's what I'm using tonight. So I'm going to pour my Usnea in. I'm going to make sure that the plant is totally covered. Right about there. Just going to push it down a little bit, get the air out. A couple pieces of bark there. That'll all be strained actually later. That'll be strained. So as you can see, it's nice and loose, guys. You don't want to pack it right in there. So you're going to cap that and label it, and then 2 to 4 weeks, I like to go 4 weeks, it's going to be ready for your second part of the tincture. This is a double extraction. So keep this in a warm, dark place, capped, for 2 to 4 weeks. Set this aside. Actually, it's fine right there. So then when that's all done, after I would go 4 weeks, you're going to strain that alcohol into a measuring cup and measure exactly how much it is. So if you had 2 cups of your strained Usnea, you're going to take a pot, and when you have strained this, when you strained the Usnea, you have the alcohol, you measured it, you still have the Usnea left over. So you take the plant, the Usnea, you put it into a pot, you've measured, you have say 2 cups of the alcohol tincture. Then your Usnea, you put it in a pot, and then you put in 2 cups, and what I like to do, 2 cups of water, and make sure that it's a good water, distilled or something. I put a skewer in there. So the Usnea is in there with the 2 cups of water, and then I mark where the 2 cup mark is, and then I add 2 more cups of water. So whatever liquid you get out of here, if it's 2 cups, then you're going to use 4 cups. And the reason for that is you're going to boil off that, or you're going to simmer off that 2 cups, that 2 extra cups, and then you're going to be down to 2 cups. The same as what the alcohol is. And you're going to do that 3 times. So it is a big process. So after you've put your Usnea in here, your other Usnea alcohol is in a cup on the side, and it's 2 cups. So you put your Usnea plant in here with 2 cups of water. and then 2 more cups of water. Measure it at the 2 cups. Then you're going to simmer it down, and it's going to come down to the 2 cups. Then you're going to add 2 more cups of water, do the same thing. 2 more cups of water, do the same thing. So you're going to do that 3 times. It is a time-consuming tincture, but it's well worth it. It's a double extraction, decoction. This is a decoction this way. So then when you have that 2 cups left over, that's in with the Usnea, you're going to strain that. That's now just a really strong decoction. And what that means is it's a strong tea. So you're going to take that 2 cups and you're going to add it to your 2 cups of the strained alcohol tincture. And bam, there you go. There's your double extraction decoction Usnea tincture. It sounds like it's hard, guys, but it's not. You do the same with chaga. When you're making a chaga tincture, you tincture it, strain it, measure it. In the pot, you put your herb with the same measurements of water as that was, and then double it. Cook that double part off, get back down to what you had. Do it 3 times. Then add that, say it was 2 cups of water, but it's now a strong tea, to the alcohol that you had, and that's it. So I hope that you guys do this, and I'm going to put a little link in the bottom, or some information, actually, not a link. I'll put some information on what this actually does. So subscribe to my channel on YouTube and ring the bell, and then you'll be able to get more videos like these that I do. So what I'm trying to do is put out as many videos as I can on the planet for people to be able to boost their immune system. And this one is a beauty. And I'll do a chaga one too, because chaga is an amazing one. I'm going to do all kinds of tinctures for you guys so I can help you out. Have a great night, guys. Keep safe.